If you're thinking about making the move to Tulsa, Oklahoma, and you're looking to be close to downtown, well, in today's video, we are going through a house in the Greenwood District. Greenwood is a historic district. There's so much history there. We're just right outside of downtown. 5 minutes away, you can get to the Performing Arts Center, you can get to Guthrie Greens, you can get to the Arts District, the Blue Dome District, the Drillers Stadium. People think when they first hear about Tulsa, you're thinking tractors and tumbleweeds, but I am telling you there is so much more to Tulsa. Tulsa's downtown is thriving, and this house is tucked into this neighborhood that hardly anybody knows about. And the builders, we're with LaShawn and Carol Ellison, and they are just talented and amazing, and this house is a gift. Hi, I'm Sabrina Shaw. I'm a local real estate agent here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and my team and I, we make these videos for you to give you that insider view of the lifestyle and the neighborhoods and the suburbs and the pros and the cons and everything in between. And in full transparency, we make these videos for you, and so when you're ready to make that move to Tulsa, Oklahoma, or one of our surrounding suburbs, instead of reaching out to some random agent online, you reach out and call us. And it doesn't matter if you're moving in 9 days, 90 days, or 9 months. It's never too early and it's never too late to give us a call. Our information is in the description. Schedule a relocation blueprint call with us. In 30 minutes, we will take what you are looking for. We will match you with the right neighborhoods, the right communities that fits your lifestyle, whether that's new construction and the right builder to established neighborhoods. Click that link and schedule time on our calendar. Now, Tulsa, Oklahoma is a metro that has over 1 million people. In the city of Tulsa itself, the population is about 400,000. And year after year, Tulsa is one of the best cities to live in. It is affordable, there are fun things to do, it is diverse, it is welcoming, there is space, there is a great culture, a great vibe, and it's also a slower pace and chill. So let me show you what you can get for $450,000 in Tulsa, Oklahoma.
Community is getting more and more diverse, you know, and we're right here on the walkway or trail that goes all the way to Riverside, goes all the way to Skytook, and then down to the gathering place. So you see bikes and people driving, running.
Okay, awesome. So you can get to the gathering place from here.
Yeah.
So what I want to highlight too is that people mistake what North Tulsa has to offer, right? If you take a look and just pan the homes that are in this pocket of the neighborhood, it is such a hidden secret how well you can live in North Tulsa and the value that you get as far as the homes are concerned. So come on in, this is Tecumseh, house on Tecumseh. We have 3240 square feet. We're getting ready to open up to an oversized 2-car garage. When we build, we put a lot of focus on building what we would want in a home. Storage is a primary thing. So if you notice here, the garage is completely built out, trimmed.
Oh, yes.
Enough space for 2 cars as well as storage.
Yes, and tell me what you're priced at.
So price right now, price just improved, $449.99
All right.
for $475.
Okay.
That puts us well below market value for this area. This home is an absolute steal.
I can't wait to see it.
We come in and you have wood flooring tile all throughout on the first floor. A custom built drop zone.
Yes. I love the doorway.
Modern door. Take a look at all of the lighting in here. Everything is so unique. Nothing in this home is builder grade. Everything thoughtfully designed and elevated. So this is the half bath. And oversized half bath, really.
Oh yeah, this is a huge half bath. You've got the
Vessel sink, chrome finish.
Oh, beautiful. I love the granite.
Custom cabinetry, granite throughout. Mechanical room, tankless water heater.
Oh, very nice.
Smart thermostat. Complete chef's kitchen.
Wow.
Tiled all the way up.
Oh my goodness. That is beautiful.
Designer glass.
Oh, that
For
is
an elevated look.
gorgeous.
Soft close on everything.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Chrome island fixture. Oversized peninsula island.
Oh my goodness.
We're just a sucker for natural light. Okay, so the windows are Anderson 400. All of the windows are picture. You have shelving.
Oh,
The color
beautiful.
choice on the cabinets is very on trend with the chocolate and the black handles here.
Yeah, that is so nice. Very sleek.
The pantry.
Oversized pantry with modern door.
Oh, that pantry is massive. Wow.
So again, the fixtures all hand chosen with a fan underneath.
Yes. That is so cool. I love the wood finish, the wood grain, and these windows are so much natural light.
Accent wall to complement the space. I'm a sucker for fluting, giving
I
you that
love
true
it.
mid-century vibe.
Yes.
So that's sort of gives you an idea of what you can do.
How
Out here.
large the outdoor
Oh,
is. And
yes.
So we are outdoor living people, so it was important for us to build a home that would give that same feel to our buyers. It's already plumbed for gas,
For your
as
gas
well
stove,
as wired for electric.
your TV
Okay.
right there. And, you know, typically in a spec home, you just have a little concrete, you know, but we did the full slab
Yeah.
plus overhead. And
Yeah, that is great space. Plenty of room. Like if you
Yeah.
have pets, your dogs can play, the kids can play. There is so much room here. In fact, we've got some kids playing over there.
And we did.
Yep.
And it's
Jumping
just
on the
enough space,
trampoline.
not too much upkeep, but
Yes.
just enough to enjoy it.
Yes.
And also, you know, another thing, again, we're thinking as if if we lived here, what would be convenient? Well, if we're cooking out here, we don't want to go back and forth in here. So we made that pathway. We actually added
Oh,
that door
that's
to
nice.
going
Very
into the kitchen. And I'll take credit for that one because my wife said, no, I don't want that. But babe, we
Usually
have to.
watching the budget.
Yep.
Well, and here's the thing too that most builders don't do that's part of our budget is sod, the front and the back, as well as fully fenced.
Yeah, and
Okay.
also sprinklers.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Yes.
So it comes with sprinklers, gutters,
full
fencing.
gutters.
Yep.
Okay. Wow. Fence, full gutters, sprinklers. Wow.
Full side.
And that
Full
comes,
sod.
And that comes standard.
Okay.
So now we go upstairs, and you'll notice the rich, lavish stain,
Oh yeah.
as well as the iron on the grill.
Beautiful.
And we come up to one of my favorite parts of this home, and that is this huge picture window.
It is gorgeous. Wow, that is massive.
The view here, that will always be open space.
Okay.
The owner
Wow.
of that doesn't plan on developing. So if we go this way, this is the master suite here. Again, full of natural light. Pocket door leading to the fully built out closet.
I love this color.
Thank you.
Oh, it's
Very
so
serene.
nice. Yes. Wow. Great closet. Huge walk-in closet. Again, you've got that wood grain fan that just gives it that nice modern look. These windows are incredible.
And then you come in here and to the master bath. You have a full wet area, including a dual shower.
I love how you're doing this.
Thank you.
I love the wet areas.
Yeah, thank
I love
you.
the wet rooms. They are gorgeous. And
Isn't that
oh
gorgeous?
my goodness. That
Isn't it so
tile.
pretty?
Yes, I am in love with it. Wow.
It complements the chrome finishes so well. You have the oversized soaking tub.
Oh, magnificent.
Floating vanities, dual vanities.
Yes.
And then off to your side here is more storage.
Oh, that's a lot of storage.
So we have a nice laundry room here, again with lots of natural light.
Oh, wow.
Granite tile, decorative shelving.
Beautiful.
Closes off with the pocket door there.
Okay. More storage.
More storage.
No clutter here.
No clutter here. We like to maximize space.
Did you see the railings?
Yes, those
Yeah.
railings are gorgeous.
Again, nice oversized hall bath.
Oh, wow.
Frameless edged mirror.
Beautiful. Again, that natural light, you just get it.
And all those cabinets are custom as well. Ancillary bedroom number 2. And again, oversized closets that you just do not find. Closet sizes that big.
Yes. And again, these windows. And they are more expensive.
Well, and expansive, right?
Yeah, expansive. Okay, yeah, yes.
True picture window. Oversized ancillary bedroom with
These
closet.
are nice size rooms. I mean, you could easily fit a king size bed and plenty of furniture.
Well, and what I was going to suggest, and when I'm showing this home, is that you could actually put your dresser in the closet and reserve more space in the bedroom.
Yes, there is. Yeah, these are giant.
So then we come to bedroom number 4 or / flex room.
Ooh.
And so here I just kind of given you some ideas of how you can reimagine this room, workout room, game room, another seating area.
Oh, very cool. Yes.
So this would be the dressing room if you turn this into a bedroom. Otherwise, this is a nice home office with plenty of natural light I feel like this room just is so inspiring with the amount of natural light that's coming through.
It is. And I like how you said that it could be reimagined. So it could be an office or it could be a closet and a workout room. Like so much opportunity to do something
much opportunity
here.
and potential here.
Oh my goodness, I love it.
So the palette here is very much serene, but yet bold.
That window is just to die for.
Yes.
Wow.
And what I could imagine if I were to stage this is a nice seating bench here with maybe a couple of floating pillows on top, and just to be able to sit here and lounge.
Yes, because you left plenty of room here.
Exactly.
Like as you guys were designing this, like that is fantastic.
And very
because you have to
intentional.
enjoy that. Wow. Incredible.
So much value in this home.
And as far as we were talking about, and I don't remember if we were talking about it on camera, but so close to downtown.
So close to downtown. So what I love about the area is that you are literally less than 5-minute drive time with no traffic to downtown if that's where you choose to play. But then yet you're tucked away in a cozy, friendly, family-oriented neighborhood. You get the best of both worlds, and it's hard to come by that.
Yeah.
And for the money too, we're talking less than $140 a square foot here.
Oh my goodness, are you serious?
I am so serious.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, the open living with the chef's kitchen, again, 3 bedrooms plus a flex room. You can reimagine that space to be anything that you like. An office, a workout space, another seating area. Just so much potential for that room. But yeah, extended outdoor living, already wired for television as well as gas grill. I mean, can't you just see yourself living here?
Yes, I can. Whoever gets this is going to love it. Love it. All right, guys, again, we are in Greenwood. We are just 5 minutes north of downtown. We are in just this little pocket neighborhood that is so quaint. We have the trail system over there that goes through Riverside and the Gathering Place. If you're thinking about making that move to Tulsa, Oklahoma, reach out, give us a call. It doesn't matter if you're moving in 9 days, 90 days, or 9 months. It's never too early and it's never too late. We'd love to help you make that seamless move to Tulsa, Oklahoma.